when you're building a home or a building, big or small, it's a large, often complicated investment and process. And owners, designers, and builders involved with it, they devote their minds to it and often their hearts and souls as well. And so when we at Logix Brands are chosen to play a part in these making these dreams and aspirations come true, we're honored. And so today we are going to recognize some of the more interesting and some of the more notable projects that we were a part of over the last year. All right, let's go to the most outstanding small residential. This project is an interesting one. This is Forest Haus, AMC Foam supporting, but Patent Ventures is the builder. And this is a 1,400 square foot home. Now, the footprint here is 1,000 square feet. So it's 2 layers of 1,000 square feet. 600 square feet of the first level is dedicated to a heated wood shop garage space. Okay, so that leaves 400 square feet of residential space on the ground floor and a full 1,000 square feet of residential space above on the second floor. So 1,400 square foot home plus 600 square feet of heated wood shop. Now, this was the site was particularly specified and picked for how the building interlacts with the sunlight during the changing seasons, view of the forest, and the goal of preserving as many mature trees as possible. Because of the location, the soil was very gravelly, thick rock and gravel mix. So they did a thickened slab on grade design. So that's 1,009 square feet of slab. They radiant heated the slab. And as you can see, so they use once again another product of Logix Brands, heat sheet, and that's R16.1 heat sheet here that is insulating the slab, and that's going to make the PEX pipe tubing placement probably about 4 times faster than the regular method. So once the slab is finished, that was just a little shot of our heat sheet website there. Sorry, my computer was a little sticky. Here's a view from a drone, and you can see they use 6 inches of concrete core on the exterior walls. Then they used 4-inch concrete core as the party wall or demising wall between the residential space in the first floor and the shop area, the heated shop area. So that's kind of an unusual detail. They also use throughout, and this is also quite interesting, helix. They didn't reinforce the walls with conventional steel rebar, which is most often used. They used helix, and helix fibers are these little fibers here. They're steel fibers. They're mixed in at the batch plant. We have engineering tables that guide you as to how much gets added in to attain the strength that you need. So these walls were actually reinforced with helix. There's the 6-inch concrete core was used on all exterior walls. The 6-inch wall did great. These walls actually ended up being 26 foot, 8 inches above grade. There were no issues with leaks, block movement, or blowouts. The ICF installation time was 30 days. Here you can see them to start to install 16-inch clear span wood floor system, and spray foam was used around the windows and doors and all the other openings in the home. You're going to actually see, you're starting now to see the window detailing. There's a tall stairwell window, takes in southern light all year, and these 14-foot by 5-foot forest view windows are definitely showstoppers. There you can see Halo Interra being used to insulate above grade, or not above grade, in the ceiling. And there's Shane Provenchal of Patent Ventures, and he's supervising the work there. The initial testing was a very strong air change per hour of 0.8 and 0.9, rating somewhere in there. The all-electric average monthly energy uses is estimated to be $113 in the winter only, and in the summer, barely $98. Here's some of the detailing inside, and you can see one thing they did that's really kind of neat. Because ICF are thicker walls, and they really took advantage of the windowsills here, and they actually had maple returns fabricated to accent the depth of the window openings. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous home. So um, congratulations to Forrest Haus and Patent Ventures for most outstanding small residential project this year.